Okay, so first thing we want to do, guys, is we got to know. Let me move this camera so you can see the law of cosines. Okay, the law of cosines is actually something we can use to just find the side lengths and the angles of any triangle, not just right triangles, any triangle. So it expands the Pythagorean theorem to incorporate any triangles. And what it says is a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc times the cosine of angle A. And this is true for all the angles in any triangle, okay? So if we're looking for the measure of angle A, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to plug numbers in here. So this has to be little a because it's opposite of the angle A. Okay, it's opposite of angle A, the angle we're looking for. So we got 13 squared equals 6 squared plus 10 squared minus 2 times 6 times 10 times the cosine of angle A. And now we got our problem set up. Now it's just a little bit of math. We got 169 equals 36 plus 100 minus, well, 2 times 6 is 12 times 10 is 120 times cosine A. Now we got that. Now we're there. Now we want to subtract, okay, inverse operations. I'm going to put in another color just so you can really see what I'm doing. Minus 36, minus 36, minus 100, minus 100. That's going to cancel. That's going to cancel. So you can see I just moved them all at once. And so we're going to have, well, this right here is going to be 3. 6 minus 3 is going to be 3. And so we're going to have 33 equals negative 120 cosine of angle A. Okay, and we're going to divide that coefficient. Remember, this is pre-calculus. Okay, so we do expect a little bit stronger understanding of algebra. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down so I get a little bit more room because I'm not quite done with the problem. Okay, let's scroll down. Got a little bit more room. There we go. Now we're almost there because what we have now is that the cosine of angle A equals 33 over negative 120. Let me erase that. Yeah. Oh. Cosine of angle A equals 33 over negative 120. But what does that mean about the inverse cosine? The inverse cosine of 33 over negative 120 is going to give us angle A. Okay, because it's the inverse cosine. It's the opposite of cosine. So let's go ahead and type that into our calculator. Let's go ahead and go inverse, the arc cosine, sometimes called 33 over a little negative 120. And what's that going to equal? And that's going to equal about 105.96 degrees. And they want us in the nearest degree, so we're going to say 106 degrees. And there you go. I mean, that's all we got